So method calls, that just means using the method. So you use a subroutine or you use a function. Whenever you use it, we say you're calling the function, you're calling the method. Okay, method calls. A request to use a method is referred to as a method call. A call is also called a method invocation. Okay, I'm just going to use the word use. Most of the time I might use the word call. I doubt I'll use the word invocation. It's easy to make a method call. Just type the method's declared name. So just like using the function, just type the name of the function. That place in the code then becomes the point of call. Okay, so you want to use that, you can use that phrase, the point of call. Subroutines will answer the call, do its job, but return nothing. Functions will answer the call, do their job, but they return a value to the point of call. So that just means, like we said over here, so when we use this function, we actually are, there's a whole definition for format. There's a whole bunch of code there, and it runs, and then it returns the value right to here, and that gets sent to here. So this is called the point of call, and then it gets sent to here. So it sounds a little like, why do we have to be so, talk about it in this way? But it could be useful to talk about it in that way. So that's called the point of call. So functions will answer the call, do their job, and return a value to the point of call. In any case, when the method is finished, control returns to the point of call. In other words, when we use a function, a whole lot of extra code gets run in the background. And then after it's all done, so we say that control has now shifted to all that code that's being run. And then after all that code that was the function has run, then the point of call returns to where we were before. So control returns to the point of call. I'm sorry, the control returns to the point of call. This raises a natural question. Can all methods be called from anywhere in our code? Are we allowed to take any of the methods we have and call them from anywhere in our code? For instance, if our code is spread across several files, can we use a method that's defined in one file in another file? And the answer is, it's up to you. It's your ability to call a method from places outside of the current class depends on how you declare that method's accessibility. So when we define our methods, we can determine whether this method is callable just from our current class, or maybe we have another class. We haven't worked with two classes so far, but maybe we have another class and we've defined a method in there. Can we use it in the current class or not? So it's up to you. It depends on how you define the accessibility of that method.